What are your thoughts about the game, please?
My thoughts about the game, to be honest, games you can we were shaky at the first half. The first half we were shaky, so it was the Chiefs. It's all the opportunities that are looking at United back on. Going to 15 minutes, 20 minutes, Bonega, you all at Barrett, it's only momentum. It's only momentum, we created chances, we saw the set piece, Mahoba, got the set piece, I was recorded, I was recorded. Says as if she game, because I see it on the there was a shit game, then the Barrett did but again, the fact that who coach, the technical team, the master, the part, my own task, such a better league. Why don't we take out Mark Walker, which was a big mistake. Taking out Mark Walker was one of the bad mistakes this state did at that time, because Mark Walker was one of the guys that the squad played and I family Safaba and Umabas. Saboni to Mabas against the guys. Saboni to Mabas against the guys, I introduced a man who Samini, Benukim, Sakipa Banner, Makaula, Benencosta. Remember, Makaula, Umdalo, Dalati, 6. Our pass it Jalisa, Bats, and Leapo, because of Bata, I was with Mark, who keep a quarter, Umjali, at the terrorize and their right hand position because Monina Moto, was one bam and the sun, or Dalai, you know, part, better get it card. So, of course, who keep a walking about that, the welcome meeting of his attitude, sounding out. You are not the one who don't send this citizen. I'm not coming on work, but for me, I feel like who keep a walking about that. I was put a little pull on camera.
The tough question is where to from now? Yeah, probably.
To be honest, I don't know. To be honest, I feel like we had a good season, even though we lost the club. We had a good season. I hope the next coach also also was with Tats and that's the I see the end of Bamakan. It's Bamakan that able. Still see there. When they came business and they said, it's in a city about Jamin, they were lazy to help the team. Five only the momentum game is a coach. But they came on, they didn't bring up that momentum. They didn't help the team. I was in the them.
Yeah, only that because you had to so congratulations to Gaza Chiefs. Congratulations to them. They didn't take the very good team, but they had a plan and they had luck on their side. So yeah, shop to Bunny Sports. Super.